Hello friends, I'm still a Somna of Goodwill Online Maths. In the previous video I did, someone sent me this question in my private message. So it says 2 raised to the power of x plus y equal to 16, 4 raised to the power of x minus y equal to 32 raised to the power of minus 1, that we should find the value of x and y. So I decided to share the solutions with us. So let's solve. If you observe this question very well, you will see that this is still concerned with indices. So let's solve. The first one, they said 2 raised to the power of x plus y is equal to, you can see that 16 is a multiple of 2. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 times 4 times, which is 2 raised to the power of 4. So I have to replace my 16 with 2 raised to the power of 4. So I have 2 raised to the power of 4. So if you come down to the second equation, we have 4, and 4 is also a multiple of 2. You can see that I have 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to the power 2. So I have 2 raised to the power of 2 into x minus y equal to, if you observe 32, 32 is also a multiple of 2. That is, putting it in its index form, I have 2 raised to the power of 5 times minus 1. So to simplify this well, you can see that I have 2 raised to the power of x plus y is equal to 2 raised to the power of 4. If I come down to this second equation, I need to open up this bracket. So I have 2 raised to the power of 2 times x, I have 2x, 2 times minus y, I have minus 2y, equal to 5 times minus 1, I have 2 raised to the power of minus 5. So at this end, we have reduced this to its original or its common base. So reducing it to this extent, you can see that since they have equal bases, my x plus y is equal to 4, and my 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 5. So we go, then x, for us to be able to find the value of x and y, my x plus y is equal to 4, and my 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 5. If you observe this, you can see that this indices has led us to another topic in mathematics, which is simultaneous equation. So we need to simplify this simultaneously. So I can say that this is serving as my equation 1, and this is serving as my what? Equation 2. So if you observe this, I will try and solve this with elimination method of solving simultaneous equation. So I have to, for me to be able to eliminate my y, I have to multiply this equation 1 by 2 and multiply my equation 2 by 1 so that I can be able to eliminate y. So let's multiply 2 times x, I have 2x, 2 times y, I have plus 2y, equal to 2 times 4, I'm having 8. So this is my new equation, equation 3. Then in the second equation, I need to multiply it with 1. So 1 times 2x, I'm having 2x. 1 times minus 2y, I'm having minus 2y. And 1 times minus 5, I'm still having minus 5. So I need to what? Add these two equations so that I can actually find the value of x. So let's add the two equations. 2x plus 2x, I'm having 4x. 2y plus minus 2y, I'm having 0. Then 8 plus minus 5, that is 8 minus 5, I'm having, this is equal to 3. So at this point, since 4x is equal to 3, I need to divide both sides by 4 so that I can actually have the value of my x. So I divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4. So I can be able to cancel out. 4 divided itself is 1, 1. Then my x is equal to 3 over 4. Since actually that my x is equal to 3 over 4, I can easily substitute the value of x equal to 3 over 4 in any of these derived equations. So I choose my equation 1, and you remember in my equation 1, you can see that my x plus y is equal to 4. Then, since my x plus y is equals to 4, I need to substitute the value of my x in this equation. So, if I substitute 3 over 4 for x plus y is equal to 4. So, if you see this, I need to simply subtract 3 over 4 from what? Both sides. So, let's do the subtraction here. Then you can see that my y now is equal to 4 minus 3 over 4. So for this, I will use a trick I've already taught you in my previous video, which is subtraction of fractions with different denominator. I'll just put here to be 1. So to do this, 1 times 4 is 4. So the denominator is 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. I have 16. Minus 1 times 3 is 3. So at the end, my y is equal to 16 minus 3 is what? 16 minus 3 is 13 all over 4. So 13 over 4 is the answer for my y. So, but I can easily convert it to a what? Mixed fraction. So I have that my y now is equal to, since this is 13, 4 can only divide 12 and there will be what? 1 remainder. So if 4 divides 12, I'm having 3, remainder 1. So I have 3 whole number and 1 over 4 as the solution to my y. Therefore, my x is equal to 3 over 4 and my y is equal to 3 whole number 1 over 4. So on this, you can see that the value of x and y that can satisfy these equations are x equal to 3 over 4 and y is equals to 3 whole number 1 over 4. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow me on Facebook at Esomna of Goodwill Online Maths and YouTube Esomna of Goodwill Online Maths. Thank you. You can also share to your friends so that we can be able to stop mathematics phobia at any point we find ourselves. Thank you.